Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? Many students ask, how do you pronounce the word schedule? So, today we will learn about the correct pronunciation of the word schedule. In British English, it is pronounced schedule, and in American English, it is pronounced schedule. But we are Bengali. We pronounce this word schedule. Do you have any schedule like this? So it's not correct pronunciation. So students, both are correct, but the sound change depending on the British or American style. Which one to use? Please write on the comment box. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.